What's happening, guys? We're back and we are going to do some fiberglass this week. Alright, I know that you guys got pretty bored of fiberglass last time when we were making the hood mold. So I'm going to try to keep this kind of foray into fiberglass pretty short. We're going to try to cast the hood out of the mold that we made. So since you guys last saw the mold, I've been bringing it up piece by piece, smoothing it all out. I had to add a little bit of Bondo in some sections just to fill some really low spots. And then went over everything with filleting putty, filled any pinholes, cracks. There was a couple spots where the PVA had actually kind of wrinkled because I think we were putting it on incorrectly. So that left pockets in our mold. So I went through and filled all those with filleting putty, sanded everything back with like 220 grit, got it nice and smooth, and then came in and finished it all with 400 grit to make a nice smooth surface for our mold. Since then I've also waxed all the sections and I've put some PVA on them. I went quite a bit lighter on the PVA this time around. I noticed that our mold sections had some pockets where there had been a run of the PVA, so we're going to try to avoid that. Hopefully it'll be enough to still release out of the mold. So I have all the mold sections here. I want to bolt them together, stick them on that stand of ours, and then mix up some gel coat. We're going to pigment this one white because I want the car to be white in the end, so having a base coat of white will be nice. We are going to paint it, but you know, the less we have to cover the better. So got the mold sections up here, got the stand. Let's assemble the sections, put it on the stand, and then we can start mixing up some glass. All right, it looks like we're having the same issue that we had when we started laying the blue gel coat on the mold. I think that pigment kind of retards the kickoff process of the resin. So our gel coat's taken a little bit extra time to stiffen up. So I'm gonna leave it overnight. I got the heater turned up, I got a space heater on it. It should stiffen up and it should be fine, but it's just gonna take a lot of time. So after that, it's just gonna be laying in fiberglass, stiffening everything up. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. We did that enough on the last fiberglass video. So I'm gonna call it an episode there. Hopefully next week, we're ready to pop this thing out of the mold. But I'll work through the weekends, or the weekdays to make that happen. So in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. Go check us out on Instagram, Leftfootfirst Media, and we'll see you next week. I'm out of here.